Exactly. You weren't wrong, Asa.
Huh?
Denji's someone who doesn't know the first thing about right and wrong. You're correct. But there's one thing you're wrong about. You can't turn Denji into a weapon after all, can you? You always have to do the right thing. You can't turn a person into a weapon.
Why do you know about my power?
Did I never mention? I'm the War Devil's big sister, Famine Devil. Call me Fammy.
Famine?
Not good. Asa! Don't listen to that.
See you soon.
What?